me and Kel are gonna play the ultimate Roblox yan. So basically we have to survive. Okay, Kel, go. Kel, join. Kel, hello? Join the lobby. I joined the party. Just click ano. Okay, click. Wait, what? How did I don't know, just find. Oh, there. Okay, basically you have to be the only one who wins. CD. You have to be the only one who wins. Place down trap so me can die, and also you. Be careful, okay? Okay. Oh no, bro! Just place it like right here. So basically, kailangan mo mag-survive. Tapos meron mga Tapos yan yung mga traps. Yan yung mga traps. So we can't win on the... Okay, coin! What? What are you doing? Oh, wait. Wait a second. We can't win! Bro, we can't win! We just die. We can't win, we just die. Bro, we can't win, we just die. We can't win this, just die already, okay. Wait, I killed you with my trap, so I killed you with my trap! Thank you very, very much. Thank you. No! I was about to get that. Come on, bros. Sana papalo si Kel. Oh no, bro. Nah, bro. I'm gonna get the coin. Bro, where are you placing the coin? What? Where are you placing the coin? No. Oh no. What the? What are you doing? Okay, I got it. Where did you put the coin? No! We can't make that jump. At least I got the coin though. See, I'm winning. You're losing. No, bro. A saw blade. Guys, trust me, Kiel can't win. No, bro, I want this coin. I want coins. Come on, get the coin. Get the coin. Yes! I got the coin. No, come on out. Kiel, this is impossible. Bro. Yes, I got a red coin. Kiel, I'm winning. Guys, I'm winning. Kill it. Oh, no! Kiel's open. Don't place that. Don't place that. Don't place that. Okay, come on, bro. Come on, Kill, I want you to die. No, bro. No, bro. Yes! No! Yes! Wait. Oh, I'm just gonna die though. Bruh. No. Wait, tatapusin ko lang to. Ha? Kill, I'm basically stacking coins. Kill, I'm basically stacking coins so I can win. If you get a coin, even if you die, you still get it. So, thank you. Oh no, I can't. Oh no. Bro, what are you doing? Come on, you no! Come on, you no! No! Oh, no! Kiel got the coin, no! No, Kiel got the coin, what the fuck? What is this? Pinatay yung sarili. No, Kiel got the coin. At least I trapped you though, at least I... Turkey. Wala kayo yung turkey din, turkey. Yes! Turkey! 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 Red coin! Red coin! Come on, bro. I need to win this. There's no way. What is that? No! I'm cooked. He's gonna get the red coin. How? How did he survive everything? Oh no! Can you cook? How? How? Oh! What? You're cook. You're cook, buddy. You're cook. Bro, just die already. You can't even win. You can't even win. Kill died. No, bro, I need that coin. No! Bomb! Bomba. Wala na obstacle. Ay. Bro! What the coin? I need to get that coin. No! Pinatay ako! At least no! Kiel got a trap. No! Guys, Kiel is winning, bro. What is this? Devious. No! Okay ba logic yan? Yes. Sana matalo ka. Para sa akin lahat ng coin. Come on. Ako'y nakuha. No! Pinatay ko sarili ko. Yeah. Ay. Sino nakuha? Wala? Guys, wala nakuha ng coin. No. OB lang to eh. O, para lang magawa ng OB lang to. Bro, it doesn't matter. You only need skill. Red coin. No! Get one. Yes! No. No! Pinatay ako ng turkey! Pinatay ako ng turkey! Bawal tayo bata. Bawal tayo dyan. Mapatay tayo ng turkey palagi. Ikaw na! Oh, yes. Thank you. Oh, you can... Okay, basagin mo yung turkey na yan. Ay! Ang sama. Bro, mamatay tayo sa turkey eh. Bro! What the... Shark, gusto mo ba mamatay sa turkey? Ay! Yes! Ay! waste platform. Oh, suspicious. What does that do? Boba, boba. Alisin natin yan. Alisin natin. Wala naman eh. We can't even win. Wala ka dyan. We can't even win, bro. Sabi mo, we are horses. Kill. Never mind, he did not make it dramatic. Kill did not make it dramatic, bro. Come on, there's no way. No! Kill, we can't even win. Why do you need that? We can't even win. Bro, ano ba ginagawa natin? What are we doing? No! Yes! What? Okay lang, at least nahulog ka. Sayang. Yes! Ay! Paano mo ako pinatay, bro? Daya niya. Nakapatay niya. Daya. Oy! Wala na. Ba't gagamitin mo yung bomba? Bro, tatikot lang. Come on. Oy, wag yung nuke. Ito na lang. What is this? Ano yan? What is that? Bro, what is that? He just... Come on, bro. Yes! I need to get the coin. Yes! Yes! Nagpapatay. Ay! No! Yes! I got coins! Bakit? Bro, don't worry, meron pa madaming ano. Paano? Turkey, bro, turkey. Pagkatapos na to, reset tayo. Oy, red coin, gusto mo? Oh. Did you just place it at the ending? Bro. No, I was... Come on, kill, I want you to die. Yes! You're faithful kasi. Yes! Ay, patay naman din ako. I just died. Kill, I just died. How am I supposed to? A deadly mouse trap. Eto, mouse trap. Mouse trap. I made it impossible. What? Red coin. Yes. I got the red coin. Yes, I got red coin. Come on, bro. Come on. Ay, bala ka dyan, ikaw muna. Bro, I won. Guys, I won. Kill, wanna do it again? Okay, bye guys.